Bonjour, je m'appelle Martina et je viens de l'Italie. La plus belle chose pour moi de ce projet est travailler ensemble à beaucoup de personnes qui viennent d'autres nations et trouver les moyens pour communiquer et nous entendre. En Autriche, je pense que l'Autriche c'est une très belle nation et nous sommes venus ici dans la plus belle période selon moi parce qu'il y a la neige et dans ma nation en Italie il n'y a pas de neige et donc je pense que c'est très belle. J'ai trouvé beaucoup de nouvelles qui ne sont pas dans mes écoles. Par exemple, ici, on peut rester sans les chaussures mais dans mes écoles, on doit avoir les chaussures aux pieds. Et puis la cuisine est très bonne. Et voilà. Merci. Au revoir.
Hello, my name is Marta and I come from Italy. I like the Comenius project because it gave to me the possibility to know other place, other country, and
okay, thank you.
Hi, I'm Melania. I'm 16 and I come from Italy. I like the Comenius project because I have known lots of people and stop.
Hello, I'm Giulia and I come from Italy. I'm 16 and I love Austrian landscapes. Austrian landscapes, and I like this project because I can know new people. And I also like very much the traditional food.
Hi, my name is Eleonora, I'm 16 and I come from Italy. The most beautiful thing about this project is meet new people and know new cultures and visit new countries.
Hello, my name is Diletta, I come from Italy, and the thing that I like much about in this project is the town, because I like very much this town and I like the snow, and I'm really happy because my guest family is becoming my second family. I like meeting new people, and here I have the possibility to meet people from a different country, and according to me this project is really exciting because I can improve my English. Okay.
Hello, my name is Federica. I come from Italy and I'm 16 years old. I think that the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen in Austria is probably the snow, because it doesn't snow in our city, and it is really beautiful to go out and enjoy this different temperature, these different degrees which are colder than ours, and I really like the Comenius project because I'm getting to know other people from different cultures, from Spain, from France and Austria, and it's really exciting to know other cultures which are different from the city that you come from.